Welcome back to Wealthcliffs. Today, we are diving into a topic that affects many of us: lack of financial knowledge and education. We'll explore insights from the book, The Simple Path to Wealth, by J.L. Collins, which offers a straightforward guide to achieving financial independence and long-term investing. So, let's get started on building a solid financial foundation for beginners. Financial knowledge is the key to making informed decisions about our money. It empowers us to understand the various aspects of personal finance, including budgeting, saving, investing, and managing debt. With this knowledge, we can create effective financial strategies that align with our goals and aspirations. Without a basic understanding of personal finance, we may find ourselves struggling to manage our finances effectively. It can lead to overspending, accumulating unnecessary debt, and missing out on potential opportunities to grow our wealth. By educating ourselves about personal finance, we gain confidence in handling our financial matters. Financial knowledge helps us feel more in control of our money and reduces anxiety about the future. It also allows us to make thoughtful decisions, especially during challenging economic times. Now that we know the significance of financial knowledge, let's dive into the basics of personal finance. Creating a budget is the foundational step towards financial success. A budget helps us track our income and expenses, giving us a clear picture of where our money is going. With a budget in place, we can identify areas where we might be overspending and make adjustments accordingly. This way, we can allocate more funds towards our financial goals, such as saving for emergencies or investing for the future. Setting financial goals is another essential aspect of personal finance. When we have clear goals, it provides us with direction and motivation. Whether it's buying a home, paying off student loans, or retiring early, having specific financial goals helps us stay focused and committed to our objectives. Another critical element of personal finance is managing debt. Understanding the different types of debt and their interest rates allows us to prioritize which debts to pay off first. By developing a debt repayment plan, we can work towards becoming debt-free faster. Now, let's explore The Simple Path to Wealth by J.L. Collins. This book introduces us to the concept of financial independence, where we have enough wealth to support our desired lifestyle without relying on active employment for income. One of the central principles advocated in the book is low-cost index fund investing. Index funds offer broad exposure to the entire market or specific segments of it, and they have lower fees compared to actively managed funds. This approach provides a simple yet effective way to grow wealth over the long term. The book highlights the importance of avoiding high-fee financial products, such as mutual funds with excessive expense ratios. These fees can erode a significant portion of our investment returns over time. By opting for low-cost index funds, we can keep more of our money working for us. In The Simple Path to Wealth, the author also emphasizes the significance of frugality. Living below our means and spending money on things that truly matter to us allows us to save more, invest wisely, and reduce financial stress. Long-term investing is a powerful tool for building wealth. Thanks to the magic of compound interest, our money can grow exponentially over time. The earlier we start investing, the more significant our wealth can grow. Consistency is key in long-term investing. Regularly contributing to our investment accounts, such as retirement funds or brokerage accounts, ensures that we capitalize on the benefits of compounding. Automated contributions make it easier to stay on track and avoid the temptation of skipping contributions during market fluctuations. Diversification is another essential aspect of long-term investing. Spreading our investments across various asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, helps us manage risk and improve the overall performance of our portfolio. While it's essential to stay informed about our investments, it's equally crucial not to let short-term market movements dictate our decisions. Emotional reactions to market fluctuations can lead to impulsive actions that may harm our long-term financial goals. Instead, focus on a well-thought-out investment strategy and avoid making rash decisions based on market noise. Now that we've gained valuable insights into financial knowledge, budgeting, goal setting, long-term investing, and building financial confidence, it's time to nurture our confidence in handling financial matters. Building financial confidence starts with education and understanding. Keep learning about personal finance, investment strategies, and wealth-building techniques. The more you know, the better equipped you are to make informed decisions. Set realistic financial goals and celebrate your achievements along the way. Every step, no matter how small, brings you closer to your financial aspirations. Acknowledging your progress boosts confidence and motivates you to continue taking positive steps. Seek guidance from financial experts or mentors who have achieved financial success. Learning from others' experiences can provide valuable insights and help you avoid common financial pitfalls. Remember that everyone's financial journey is unique. It's essential to focus on your goals and not compare yourself to others. Stay patient and persistent, and with time, you'll see your financial confidence grow. Now that we have a solid understanding of financial knowledge, budgeting, goal setting, long-term investing, and building financial confidence, it's time to take action and shape a bright financial future. Start by creating a detailed financial plan that aligns with your aspirations. Set clear goals, create a budget, and establish an emergency fund. Build a diversified investment portfolio and stay focused on your long-term objectives. Remember that financial success is not achieved overnight. It takes time, patience, and consistent effort. Stay committed to your financial journey and celebrate every milestone along the way. Continue expanding your financial knowledge and remain open to learning. The world of personal finance is constantly evolving, and staying informed ensures you make the most out of your financial decisions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Wealth Wisdom for more valuable content on personal finance and wealth building. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take charge of your finances and live your best financial life. Congratulations! You've taken significant steps toward building a solid financial foundation. Remember, learning about personal finance is a lifelong journey. As you continue to grow your financial knowledge, apply the principles from The Simple Path to Wealth, and stay disciplined with your financial habits. Financial independence and a secure future are within reach. Thank you for joining us on this empowering journey. Before we wrap up, a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Consult with a qualified financial advisor for personalized guidance. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Wealth Wisdom for more valuable content on personal finance and wealth building. Until next time, keep learning and building a bright financial future.